how to sign up for Temu affiliate program. To join the Temu affiliate program and earn commission by promoting Temu products, follow these simple steps. Number one, visit the Temu affiliate page. So go to Temu affiliate program page. Number two, sign up. So click on to join now or get it start button. So you can register using your email address or through to your social media accounts. Create a strong password and agree to the terms and conditions. Number three, complete your profile. So after sign up, fill in your profile details, including your contact information. And after that, providing your PayPal email can be helpful for receiving the payments. Number four, access your affiliate dashboard. So once registered it, you will have access to the affiliate dashboard. So here you can find your unique referral link and promotional materials. Number five, start promoting. So share your referral link on your websites or blog or social media platforms. Encourage your audience to download the Temu app or purchase products using your link. Number six, earn commission. So you can earn up to 20% commission on order made through your referral link. Additionally, you may receive because for successful app downloads via your link. So this is how to sign up for the Temu affiliate program. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.